Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can add caption to your Instagram Reels. So let us start. To add captions to your Instagram Reels, first open Instagram. Now click on your profile and go to Reel. Now record your video or add any recorded video from your gallery. After adding your video, click on Next. Now after this, click on stickers icon and then click on captions. Now wait for some time until it generates the caption for your video. So here are your captions. You can also change the font of captions accordingly. After choosing the font, click on Done. Now click on Next and you are ready to upload. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.